Namaste and welcome, dear friend, student. Today I am going to teach the topic measurement. Before entering in topic, let's discuss some examples related with measurement. Let's suppose you are going to buy 1 kg potato in the shop. For this, shopkeeper use beam balance. In one pan of beam balance, he put some potatoes and in other pan standard weight, also called thou, of 1 kg. When both sides are balanced, then quantities of potato become 1 kg. In here, potato is unknown quantities, which is compared with known standard quantities, that is standard weight. Similarly, let's the line, which value is unknown. We use scale to find the value of line. Your line is unknown, but scale is known quantity. Here also we done comparison of unknown quantities with known quantities. Hence, measurement is the process of comparison of an unknown quantity with a known standard quantity. Now, why do we need measurement? What happens if there isn't measurement system? What's its importance? Let's discuss about it. The first point is to get exact quantity of object. By help of measurement system, we get exact amount of quantities of any physical quantities. If there isn't measurement system, we may gain less or more quantities. But due to measurement system, we get exact quantities of any physical quantities. Second point, for selling and buying good. In ancient times, people used to exchange good for their need. In this process, some own gain more or maybe less for same goods. There isn't any exactness in this type of trade, but measurement system solve this type of error in trades. Next point, for scientific experiment. We know that in scientific experiment, we need exact quantities of an object due to which we can get 100% accuracy. If there isn't measurement system, we can't get 100% accuracy in scientific experiment. For today's this much. Thank you for all watching this video. Tomorrow we will again meet continuing the chapter. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe. Namaste and warm welcome. Yesterday we did about measurement. Let's continue the lesson. Physical quantity. Quantities that can be measurable are called physical quantities. In this physical world, all non-living material can be measured. So they are physical quantities, but some abstract things like happiness, sadness, love, hate, etc. can't be measured. so they are not physical quantity. Types of physical quantities. Fundamental quantities. Quantities that are independent with other quantities are called fundamental quantities. Examples are like mass, time, length, current, temperature are considered as fundamental quantities. There are altogether seven fundamental quantities. Next type of physical quantity is derived quantities. Quantities that are dependent on fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. There are many derived quantities. For example, area, force, pressure, etc. Unit. The standard reference with which measurement of any physical quantity is carried out is called unit. The magnitude of physical quantity is product of unit in which the quantity is measured and the number of times in the given quantity contain that unit. For example, in 5 kg of rice, 5 is the number that is 5 times of 1 kg and the kg is unit. Every physical quantities have its own unit for their measurement. For example, mass unit is kilogram, length unit is meter, time unit is second. Characteristics of unit. The unit should be well defined. It means there must be one unit for one physical quantity. For two physical quantities, if same unit is given, then there is confusion on calculation. So the unit should be well defined. The unit should be universally accepted. Means the unit for given physical quantity must be same all over the world, so that results obtained in the different countries are comparable. The unit should be easily reproducible. Means the unit should be changed from one system of unit to another system of unit. The unit should be constant. Means the unit should not be changed with time nor with physical condition like temperature, pressure, heat, etc. Types of unit. Fundamental unit and derived unit. Fundamental unit means the units of fundamental quantities are units that are independent with other units are called fundamental unit. There are altogether 7 units of 7 physical fundamental quantities. Derived units. The units of derived quantities are units that are dependent on fundamental units are called derived units. There are many derived units. Standard system of units. In ancient times, people from different places used different type of local units like hat, bita, mana, pati for the measurement of length and mass. But these measurements are vary from person to person and place to place. In order to maintain the uniformity in measurement of physical quantities, four types of standard system of unit have been used. They are MKS system, CGS system, FPS system, and SI system. In MKS system, length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, and time is measured in the second. This system also we call metric system. Similarly, in CGS system, length is measured in centimeter, mass in gram, and time in second. This is also we call French system. FPS system. In this system, length is measured in foot, mass in pound, time in second. This system also we call British system. SI system. The improved and extended version of MKS system of unit in which mass is measured in kilogram, length in meter, and time in second is called SI system. SI unit. The system of units which is agreed by the International Convention of Scientists held in France in 1960 is called SI system. Advantage of SI units. It is rational system of unit, that is only one unit for one physical quantities. For example, kg is given to the mass only. That means the mass unit is kg. It is coherent system of unit, that is all the derived unit can be easily obtained from fundamental unit. Similarly, it is metric system of unit, that is multiples and submultiple can be expressed as power of 10. Fundamental quantities and their units. We have already discussed about the fundamental quantities and their units. We know that there are 7 fundamental quantities with their unit. These 7 fundamental quantities are as follows: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. Their units are meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, candela, and mole respectively. Similarly, derived quantities and their units. We have already discussed there are many derived quantities. Some of them are given as flow, like area, volume, velocity, acceleration, force, pressure, work, etc. Some important questions. The unit of area is called derived unit. Why? To solve that type of question, you must know the related formula of given derived unit. If you don't know about the formula, you can't solve that type of problem. So you must know the formula of given derived quantity. Here we know that area is equal to length into breadth, and unit of area is equal to unit of length into unit of breadth, and since unit of length and unit of breadth is meter into meter, it's become meter square. Hence, the unit of area is derived from the fundamental unit meter, so the unit of area is called derived unit. Similarly, the unit of velocity or speed is called derived unit. Why? We know that velocity is equal to displacement by time. Here, unit of velocity equal to unit of displacement by unit of time. The unit of displacement is meter and that of time is second. So it's become meter per second. Since the unit of velocity is derived from the fundamental unit meter and second, hence the unit of velocity is called derived unit. Similarly, you can do another questions related with this. International Bureau of Weight and Measure. In French, it also can be said Bureau International des Poids et Measures, in shortcut BIPM. This is the logo of International Bureau of Weight and Measure. It's located at France. Its official language is French and English. And in shortcut, we can also say BIPM or IBWM. Its motto is MATP Omega XP Omega. And it was founded in May 20, 1875. Its director is Martin Milton. Importance of IBWM. To bring about the unification of measurement systems, to verify national standard, to determine fundamental physical constant. Some important question also in here, like importance of regular supervision of the weight and measure in the market. Why we need regular supervision of weight and measurement in the market. In case of Nepal, in every 2 years, there is supervision by Nepal Bureau of weight and measurement. Its importance are to bring uniformity in the measurement, to prevent customers to cheat from the shopkeeper, to increases the trust in weight and measurement, to establish the condition for fair trade. Similarly, another very important question in the view of exam is advantage of the SI unit over CGS unit. SI system of unit is accepted worldwide, but CGS is not. Similarly, SI system of unit have 7 fundamental quantities, but CGS has only 3. These are some important questions in the view of exam. Thank you for today watching this video. Tomorrow we will again meet with new chapter. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe.